This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices BurtJordan Realtors property video is presented by Bobbie Housand. Great opportunity to live in Kelly Farms. Home has had lots of renovations. Roof, HVAC, moisture barrier and humidifier in 2020. Since purchasing, owner has extended HVAC to sunroom. Home has been repainted recently, inside and outside. Foam isolation was added to attic. Installed new vinyl windows in the sunroom. New cooktop, refrigerator, added new dishwasher, kitchen sink and some lighting and all ceiling fans. The property is in a floodplain, and there is a survey and elevation certificate on file. New FEMA rules had us brick the openings in the crawl space. The home has never flooded, but it has come up from the creek behind the home before. Owner also added a new chain link fence with 2 custom-built wooden gates. Also added an oversized covered storage area for large boats, RV or equipment. Workshop has electric D, new vinyl windows and owner added a covered attached shed, exterior light, and also a deck. Numerous trees have been removed, and lot is oversized. Beautiful family room with cathedral ceiling with exposed beams and brick fireplace and built-in storage. Hardwood floors, laminate, tile. Bathrooms had the plumbing replaced in 2020 when the home was last purchased. Tiled hall bathroom with new toilet, cabinetry and lighting. Master bedroom with walk-in closet. New lines for the septic tank were also installed. No problem, but previous owner paid for that to be done due to a misdiagnosed issue. There is a well that was underneath the home, but it was moved to the exterior of the home and is housed in an insulated cover. Lots of upgrades. HVAC and well pump were raised to accommodate flooding should it occur. Really nice home, needs a new family. More pictures will be added on Thursday. Home is being professionally cleaned on Wednesday. Seller is related to real estate agent. This owner is only the second owner. House well cared for. Currently there is a VA loan on the property at 3.25% that is transferable to another VA buyer. If someone has an interest